Hi, I'm Dr. Suman. I'm a consultant pediatrician at Ankura Hospital. Obesity has become a common problem in children nowadays. Previously it was 10%. Now it has crossed almost 50 to 60%. So out of every 10 children, 5 to 6 children are becoming obese, especially in urban population, thanks to the lifestyle. So what we have to do in order to prevent obesity in children right from an young age is to change the lifestyle. So first and foremost is the diet what we introduce. And the first thing is never introduce sugars and salts at a very early age. Avoid giving them direct sugar and salt at least for the first 2 years of life. Second, avoid junk food. Let it be in the form of biscuits, especially biscuits, chocolates, or carbonated drinks for the first 2 years of life. The possibility of these children not taking these foods, especially for the first 2 years of life, developing obesity automatically comes down. So what you give in the first 2 years life forms, forms for the rest of the life what the child is supposed to take. Third important tip is keep the child active throughout the day. Don't see that the child is sedentary and never eat in front of a television. The child is supposed to eat on a dining table properly with everybody, and he has to focus, he has to chew his food properly, have good amount of water, eat good amount of fruits, eat good amount of vegetables, see that he consumes good amount of proteins every day instead of having junk every day, and avoid too many caffeinated drinks, avoid too many sugary drinks, and avoid intermittent snacking with fried foods as much as possible for children, and see that the BMI of the child is always within a range less than 25 for any child. Most of the children, the BMI should not be crossing 16 to 17 till they reach adolescence, and once it crosses adolescence, it should not be crossing 25. The moment it crosses 25, it is a high risk for the child. This is something which we need to keep in mind. So keeping him active, eating the right food, and keeping the right attitude as far as lifestyle is concerned is what to go. And when you start off your food, see that for the first 2 years of life, you program it in such a way that healthy food goes into the child. These are simple tips in order to see that the child doesn't become obese.